Welcome to B.Y.O.O TV.
Welcome to this video on the story of Thais the ant and Bastien the cicada, presented by Excellence Junior School. It is summer in the big forest. The sun is shining, and it is very hot. Everything is green, calm, and beautiful. Bastien the cicada is very happy under the sun. Bastien does not work. He loves music. He has a little wooden guitar. Bastien sings and plays music all day long. Near Bastien's tree is Thais the ant. Thais is very small, but she is very brave. She walks through the grass. Thais works hard. She looks for food for her family. She finds a large yellow kernel of corn on the ground. Thais carries the corn kernel on her back. This is very difficult work. She is tired, but she continues to walk towards her house. Bastien watches Thais. He stops singing for a moment. He does not understand why the ant is working during the summer. "Hello, Thais," Bastien shouts. "Why are you working? The weather is nice. Come dance and sing with me." Bastien smiles at his friend. Thais stops and looks at Bastien. "No, Bastien," she says. "Winter is coming. I am preparing my food. You should work too. It's important." Bastien laughs out loud. "Winter is far away, Thais. Look at the sun." Bastien starts playing the guitar again. Thais continues on her way. The weather changes. Leaves fall from the trees. They are red and orange. The wind blows, and it starts to get very cold in the forest. Bastien arrives at Thais's door. He knocks gently. Thais opens the door. She has a lot of food in her warm house. "Thank you, Thais," says Bastien.